Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you need some extra light in your life and you want something that is easily movable, rechargeable, and has a beautiful aesthetic, then you gotta check out these lights I got from SHANGCAI. These bring such a calming ambiance pretty much anywhere that I've placed them. Not only that, but they have 3 different modes of light and are dimmable. They're super easy to use. There's a touch button on top of the mount, and you simply can rotate through the colors or dim it by tapping the button. We've especially loved using these at dinner parties. Everyone has commented on how much they love having them on the table. Instead of having a bright, glaring light overhead, it brings a really nice atmosphere, but it's not so dark you can't see your food. I got this stunning gold color. I absolutely love it, although SHANGCAI has other colors to choose from, so you can find the one that will be perfect for whatever color scheme you have going on. I could not be more pleased with the look and the functionality of these, and that's my point of view.